Hey guys, so making a video kind of late-ish. I know it's Monday, but you know, if I upload it on Monday, it still counts because my day is Monday, so it's fine. I didn't really have anything to talk about, but right when I was making this thing was set on picture instead of video, and I sneezed right when I took a picture. Like, I pressed the picture button thinking that it was gonna take a video, then it counted down and I realized it was a picture, and I sneezed right then, and I have the picture, so I'm gonna put it up. And it makes me laugh a lot. So I just thought you guys would enjoy that. I, truth be told, haven't left this building today. But I don't have classes on Monday, and so I thought, oh, today's the day where I get all my work done, right? Wrong. No, it's 5, and I have not actually changed out of my pajamas or, like, done anything. And I was gonna take a shower earlier today, honest to goodness was, but you're using this new cleaning stuff in the bathroom. They clean the bathrooms on Monday, and it smells like barf. And I thought maybe someone just barfed in the bathroom because it's Hamilton, which is where I live, and people just kind of do that. Because, Lord knows, there's problems. But so I went to the second floor, and it also smelled like barf, and so I asked my roommates, and they said, oh, that's just what the cleaning stuff smells like. So apparently, in an ironic twist of fate, the stuff they use to clean the barf in the bathrooms smells even more like barf than actual barf. Interesting. And so I'm blaming my lack of productivity on that. Yeah! I don't have my life together. End of the video, I guess, is now. Oh, I rewatched Napoleon Dynamite last weekend, and that was awesome. So if you guys haven't seen that, I highly recommend watching that, or if you have not seen it for a while, you should watch it again. I don't know what else I have to talk about. Orange is the New Black. I watched that. I watched all of it, actually. I'm out of episodes to watch, so I'm sad because the next season's not coming out till 2015. But that's cool. Whatever, it's fine. I'm dealing with it by sitting in my room and watching other things instead. Sneeze photo.